How's it going, everybody? We got a little late night baseball break to close the evening here. Tomorrow night's Rookie P. Let's close out Wednesday evening right now. We got a Lumber King single box. 4 cards. This is going to be a hit draft. We've got Joe, John, Ben, and Dan. You guys all set? Just let me know you're watching. I see Dan, I see Ben, Crowder, and Joe. Good to go. We'll open the box first, see what we got, and then we'll randomize to see who drafts what. A lot of fuzz. Just want to make sure Joe didn't get booted off. And Dan, yours just came through the site too. Fully. Joe's here. Crowder, you ready? Crowder should be ready. Come on. Pretty nice. Ooh. We got a fatty in there. Maybe a barrel or a knob. I've only seen one barrel so far. It was, who was it? The one in Stevie's case. Who the heck was it? Let me just get the focus set. Oh, Stretch McCovey. That's who we hit. Okay. That is a fat card. Could be. Alright, first we've got a Jim Thome dual game used bat from the Home Run Club. 5 out of 6. I'm going to go ahead and take down the board there. Get a nice true wide screen. 5 out of 6 on the Thome. 8 out of 25, Ron C. or Ron Say. How do I pronounce that one, Joe? You probably know. Ron C. 8 out of 25, game used bat. This one's pretty friggin' cool. 7 out of 20. Oh my god. Saw the bottom card. 7 out of 25, Roger Maris. It's Say. So Ron Say. Ron Say. Roger Maris and Ted Kluszewski. Home Run Challenge. Pretty cool card. Game used bats from both fellas. And, wow. It's pretty friggin' cool. We got a knob. Tommy Glavine. Game used with the 47 on there. Bat knob. That'll do. How's that for a late night baseball hit draft? I like it. I love it when they do the pitchers. That's pretty sweet. Bat knob Glavine with the 47. Well, here we go. See who gets the number 1 pick. No talking values. It is a National League pitcher, true. All of his career too, right, Glavine? All of it in the NL? Mets, Braves, yeah, all NL. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Let's see here. Where'd it go? There it is. Make that a little wide screen. Just the Braves and the Mets, yep. I think I was thinking of Maddox at first. He had 3 teams, Maddox. Or maybe Maddox was only 2. All right. Real simple. We're rolling the dice 3 times, and then we randomize that list. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 10 presses. We're going. Draft order to be determined. Here it is. Good luck. All the way. Halfway there. 8, 9, and good luck. 10. Joe, my man. Looks like just a formality, but you can make it official whenever you'd like. Joe number 1, Crowder number 2, Brooklyn Dan, you get the 3rd pick, and Ben Sorry, buddy. It was your idea, too. Your idea. You got the 4th pick. Oh, I know you do, Joe. I know you do. This would be one, though, where you could give me a break and make it pretty easy. I mean, if you wanted to. You don't have to. The time is yours. The knob for Joe. Damn, that's a pretty cool card in the collection, man. He is pictured in a Braves uniform. I don't think that's going to fit on a regular sleeve. Nope, that'll have to be in a mag. Other ones should, though. Crowder, Ron Cey, Maris Klaszewski, or Jimmy Thome? Yep. If Joe and Crowder still want in on that baseball divisional, still could do it. Jaron wanted a spot too. I said I would take one, so that put us at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we had somebody else in the room that wanted in too, right? Oh, Dan was in too, but Dan may not be in because he's into this now. Who's the other guy? Baseball divisional guys. Art, you still in the room, buddy? Yep, no problem, Crowder. You got Thome out of 6. Maris Klaszewski out of 25, dual. And the Ron Cey at 25. I will just, I'll line the divisional again right now, Eric, to see where we're at here. It's actually a 7 box. Alright. Thome going to Crowder. Brooklyn Dan. Maris Klaszewski or Ron Cey? Which one do you want? Yeah, impeccable. I'm going to try it again tomorrow night, Art. So it's a 7-box baseball divisional. It was 128. We had, right here, 19 clearly, 20 active, 19 active, 19 retired, a tier 1 box, a 5-star box, and an 18 high-tech, which is a pretty rare box to find. 5 left for the baseball divisional. Just repost if you guys want in again. Gonna go with the dual Maris and Klaszewski for Dan. All right, thanks, man. Ben, that leaves you the Ron Cey. Eric's in. Art's still in. Anybody else? Jaron's in, so that's why I got 5 left, so 3 left now. Jaron, Husby, and Art. Crowder's in, 2 left. Will do, Art. Joe's in, that leaves 1. 1 more for baseball, and we got a 7-box divisional to run. Art, gotcha. You're all set. And we're sold out. Damn. Perfect. All right, guys, 128. Here's the custom link, or send it in via PayPal. Dan, I recommend just doing PayPal. That way you may not get rewards, but you save the tax. Sales at livecasebreak.com. Joe, same thing if you want, buddy. You know the drill. All right, Thome, I'm going to send that, or Crowder, I'm going to send that Thome to your ComC. Ron C, and then that's Brooklyn. Kimber. Who said baseball was dead tonight? They'll find a way to make you pay it back, Greg. I mean, it's our government. You know they'll find a way to make it paid back. But as far as an actual regulation on it, it is not, Greg. I've read all the legislation me and Larry have for the small business stuff too, so Nothing we've seen thus far in any of the actual T's and C's would imply that it has to be repaid. Let's see. All right, we've got Husby, Art, Crowder. Oh, let me know Jaren, or let me tell Jaren it filled. Yeah, we applied for all the loans that they offered. We did not get approved for anything yet. We're hoping we get something for the store, because the store's starting to bleed money right now. I mean, 3 weeks, nothing inside the store, so, yeah. That's definitely what I'm doing with it, Greg. Alright, Joey, you're in. Diane, you're in. Router man. Mr. Husby. That's what I'm doing, technically, Joe. Saving stocks, yeah. Where's my other one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who am I missing? Yep. Sure thing, crowd. I can click it right now. See what you have pending. Danny Man, how goes it? Jeez, you got quite a few, crowd. Be a nice little nest egg, John. Good. 128 Art, yep. You got it. Yeah, we've been buying a lot of product. Mostly baseball. I don't think basketball is a good buy at its current prices. It's getting so freaking expensive. It's like nuts. But yeah, we bought pretty much every basketball that we could. Okay. The main reason product hasn't dropped, I rarely say this, but it's group breakers. And shops to a degree. I mean, we're all trying to buy product. We're all looking at probably a month to 2 months with nothing new, and we gotta have stuff to break. So all of us have been buying a lot. We have a little group where we all chat and talk and discuss things, and 100% everybody went shopping this week. You can see it in the wax prices, because obviously supply and demand, that's, you guys know, that's how it works. Damn breakers, man. Damn breakers! Ruin everything. Well, that too. I mean, absolutely, yeah. Crowder, honestly, there's really not much to buy anymore, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I heard, Mike. Okay. Alright, dudes. Let's see what you guys get. Let's see. These are 19 and... Well, actually... We can go 18, 19, 20. Baseball. Divisional break. I don't know. I don't know what's been announced as far as that goes. Is that what Bates said? He said he was thinking about moving back to Florida? Oh, it's definitely a bromance. Greg, shut up. I don't know. If we get 3 months with no new products, I really think that 17, 18, 19 product could, like, be gone. You like that change of subject, Greg?